In this video, I'll show you how you can use KRISP to affect customer prices. So the first thing you have to make sure is to add a customer to the cart. Price levels, which can be assigned to customer groups, dictate the item price. Ava here has a VIP loyalty level, which means she gets a discounted price for the items. Now, a price level can also trigger quantity breaks. What this means is that an increase in quantity will change the cost per unit. So let's say the price of this one item is $41.80, but buying two of it will trigger a different price per unit and is now $39.60 per item. You can also have promotions that are specifically targeted towards a customer group with a specific price level. For example, we have a promotion set up that gives VIP customers an 80% off on the third purchase water bottle. You will see the promotion applied here because its requirements have been fulfilled, and the customer has the correct price level. And just to show you, you will see here that when I remove the customer from the cart, the prices change and the promotion disappears. All of these are set in the admin and will automatically be applied. And that's how price levels affect customer prices. That's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website for more information.